This time we're gonna be making the outer border. This time we're gonna be making for the outer border. What I mean is the rubber shell that grabs the windscreen glass. Let's all click both of them. Now turn off the sub D. Let's shift D. We just gonna copy it, make it a new object. Let's push it to the y-axis. Now let's face them up. Let's push the y-axis. Was that thing is in the wrong axis, so go to that implement then SY0. Cool. Now let's click on the subdue and I'll click the lower border. Is it the origin to geometry? Let's turn off the mirror modifier. Cursor to selected. I just pull it outside. Is this out a bit? Let's fix that vertice. SX0. Now it is on its original place. With the outer edge selected, just S and just pull them outside just a bit. Let's grab those. Now again, origin to geo and 3D cursor. Cursor to all origin, origin 3D cursor. Active element SY. Just skew it outside like that. SX0. Give that a space. It's SY0. Just double G it inside. Let's space them. There we go.